Did you know that a common kitchen spice can protect your houseplants from serious diseases? Hi everyone, and good afternoon. If you love your indoor plants and flowers, you know how heartbreaking it can be to see them struggle with diseases like blackleg, gray rot, fusarium, rust, or the dreaded powdery mildew. But there's a simple, natural solution you probably already have at home: turmeric. Turmeric isn't just great for cooking. It's a natural antiseptic, antifungal, and antibacterial agent. Plus, it's rich in nutrients like iron, calcium, and phosphorus, which help strengthen plant immunity and bring out the vibrant beauty in your blooms. Here's how to use it. During transplanting, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric into every liter of soil to help prevent infection. For regular protection, dissolve turmeric in water and use it as a leaf spray. For infected plants, mix 2 teaspoons of turmeric in 1 liter of warm water. Add 100 milliliters of milk to help the solution stick to leaves. Then strain and spray. Apply every 2 weeks or once a month, depending on how your plant is doing. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant care tips and natural remedies.